Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. We are now looking at the topic third angle projection, and we are looking at part two of the series of videos. So we'll be starting the video now. So on the screen, on the left of the screen, we have the 3D drawing for the engineering part, and we will be drawing the 2D views for this engineering part. So the first thing we're going to draw, as I said before, is the front elevation. And what all right, so let's go again. We start off with our base, and the length of the base is 60 millimeters. So we go 60 millimeters to the right, then we go up 30 millimeters for the height, then we come across another 60 millimeters, and then we come down 30 millimeters. Enter. All right, so this is our front elevation so far. All right, now we're gonna draw the front part there, so we need a line to complete it. From here, we're going to go 60 millimeters across, enter. All right, we're also going to draw the next line again, which is 60 millimeters, 60, enter. All right, so that's the front. We need the top section now. So the height of the top section is 40 millimeters, so we're going to click here, and we're going to go up 40 millimeters, then we're going to come across 20 millimeters, then we're coming down 30 millimeters. Then we're going to go across 20. Then we're going to go up 10. Then we're going to come across 20. And then we're going to come down 20 millimeters again. All right, that is the front elevation that is completed. All right. Cool. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to dark the front elevation, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to put this front elevation on the outline layer. All right. And this is what the front elevation would look like, right? So let's label it. So we're gonna go to text, single line text. We're gonna turn off the snap. We're gonna start right here. Let's go multi-line text. Multi-line text. From there to there. And then we're gonna write in capital letters, front elevation. All right, we need to increase the size. So we're going to change it from 3. Let's change it to 6. All right, so that's our front elevation. All right, now, as I said, we're going to draw the top view. All right, so having completed the front elevation, we're going to draw the plan, which is the top view looking in the direction B. All right, so we're going to change to our construction layer. Then we're going to draw a baseline right here, right? Enter. That is a width, so that is 60 millimeters. What we're going to do, we're going to draw construction lines going up from the plan. So there, enter, there, enter, there, enter, there, enter. All right. So the first, we're going to turn the first layer is the first part of the plan is 30 millimeters away. So we can draw the line From here, we go up 30, which is here. And then we come across. So that's the first point, first part. Then the other part is 40 millimeters away. So 40 millimeters away from here, going up 10, 20, 30, 40, we come across to draw a line. All right? So let us go to our outline layer now and darken up that object. So we come here. This is a plan. There, 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 there. As easy as that. Enter. And then there's another line here now. There. Enter. And there's another line coming down here. As easy as that, right? Another line here. Enter. All right? So what we're going to do now, we're going to put in the hidden detail. So we go to our hidden detail layer and we choose hidden. We go to line and 10 millimeters from the end here. There's a hidden detail line running across from there to there. Enter. Then for the cutout, which is in the middle, there's another 10 millimeters running across from this line. So that is a cutout. And then 30 millimeters from this line, 10, 20, 30, which will be here. There's another line there running there, which will be right here, right? Because the width is 30. Enter, right? So this is our completed plan. And we can label it, okay? So we're going to go to our text layer. We're going to go text. We're going to go multi-line text. And we're going to choose here. And we're going to label plan in capital letters. Plan. And the view that the side we're looking from, or the direction we're looking from is B. All right, so we can center that there, right? So this is our plan view, okay? So if we turn off our construction layer, these lines are not on the construction layer. All right, let me put them on the construction layer. Maybe I drew them on the text layer. I drew them on the text layer. Yeah, I drew it on the text layer, so it should have been on the construction layer, see? So this is what the plan would look like for the given drawing, okay? We need to center this. So come back. All right, so this is our front elevation and plan completed. The next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw the end elevation. So what we'll do, we'll go to our construction layer and we're gonna draw a 45-degree line right here, okay? So let's do that. So we're gonna draw a 45-degree line here. So we go line from here. And this length of this line, let's turn off ortho, would be 130, 130. And the angle would be 45. Enter. All right. We need to extend it. It's a little bit short, so we're going to extend it. So I'm going to click here. All right, good. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be drawing the end elevation here, right? So what we need to draw a baseline construction line from here coming across. Enter. Let's turn on ortho, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna carry all of these points across, all right? So we're gonna go line here coming across, enter. Here coming across the construction line, enter. There coming across, enter. 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 All right. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same thing for the plan view, which is the top view, right? So I'm gonna draw a line. I'm gonna draw a line from that point. So we're gonna line from this point coming over, enter, and we're gonna draw the line down. So we're gonna go line from here coming down, enter. We're gonna carry this point coming across, this one, go across, enter, and we're gonna come down, enter, and we're gonna come down, enter, come down, I'm gonna come down here now, enter. We need to extend this line. All right, so we're going to enter, enter this point. I'm going to come down, enter, enter. Need to go line from this point to there, then we come down, enter. All right, so these are the construction lines which will enable us to draw the end elevation. We have come to the end of part 2 of the series of videos covering third angle projection. In the next video, we'll be completing the topic third angle projection used to represent the 3D view that was given earlier on in part 1 and 2. So take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.